Progressive exercise sheets. Get ready for the dictation. Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. It was not envisaged at that time that this arrangement was meant for all times. We thought that the talks would go on for 5 or 6 months and would come to some conclusion. We hoped that the result would be helpful, so taking everything into consideration, we accepted the suggestion for the duration of about 6 months. Those 6 months lengthened into a year and now two and a half years. It is a strange situation. Talks which are held with Pakistan go on lengthening so much that there does not seem to be any end to them. I get sick of this. I want a decision this way or that. The World Bank people put forward a proposition of their own about 3 or 4 months ago. It is clear that they had no authority to force us. As mediators, they had merely a right to put forward a suggestion. It was for us to accept or reject it. They put forward a suggestion when they thought that our direct thoughts were not going to yield any result. Their scheme more or less provided for a division of the rivers of the Punjab. Pakistan was to take the waters of some rivers and we were to take the waters of some other rivers. That is, there was no doubt that we were to get all the waters of our side, but they laid a very great burden on us. We were asked to give financial aid to Pakistan so that she might construct new canals from other rivers to get more water. They did not clearly specify the amount, but they indicated a very large sum. It was a heavy burden on us, but we considered and consulted the Punjab government and thought that if the matter was being settled once for all and our welfare as well as the welfare of Pakistan lay in it, then we should accept the payment of the heavy price demanded from us. So we wrote to the World Bank within a few days that we accepted the basic principle put forward by them, and though it imposed a very heavy burden on us, we were prepared to pay this price so that the matter might be settled peacefully and we could go on with our work in our country in peace. We said Pakistan would also benefit thereby. We thus accepted the proposal within a few days, but Pakistan did not give any reply, though weeks and months passed. We were very perturbed. Our representatives are still sitting in Washington, New York, and other cities of America for this purpose.